Hey, what's up guys? This is Manny from BidGo Drive, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial video on how to leave a deposit for one of our vehicles on our website, bidgodrive.com. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is find a vehicle that we're interested in. So I'm going to go to Inventory, Cars. I'm going to look for a Honda Accord. So I'm going to go to Manufacturer, scroll down until I find Honda. Okay, these are all the Hondas. Let me scroll down and go through the inventory. Okay, I kind of like this one. Okay, now we're in the vehicle details page of this particular vehicle. To leave a deposit is very simple. Above the main vehicle image will be a button that says reserve vehicle. You simply just click that button. You're going to be met with our terms of service. Please read the terms of service and agree. But I just want to point out one thing. Please ask all your questions first before leaving a deposit, because deposits are non-refundable. That's correct. You heard me correct. Deposits are non-refundable. So please, 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 I can't stress this enough. Please ask all your questions first. Call our sales department. That's what they're there for. They're there to answer all your questions. Doesn't matter if you have one question, 100 questions. That's what they're there for. So please do not leave a deposit until all your questions are answered, because they're non-refundable. You could transfer them over to another vehicle like a store credit, but they are not refundable. You're not going to get your money back. So please ask all your questions first. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and click on agree. It's going to bring you to our secure payment. The amount is $500. That's the amount of deposit we take for all our vehicles. So you could only leave a $500 deposit. The remaining balance is due within 48 hours. All you have to do is fill out the information, your name, email, address, state, zip, country. Come down here, you put the name of the credit card, your credit card number, expiration date, security code, and just hit submit. And it's as easy as that. You're going to get an email confirmation stating that you submitted $500 and for which vehicle you submitted the $500 for. And then one of our sales reps will reach out to you to finalize the deal. Or if you're already dealing with somebody, they will call you to finalize the deal. So I hope this helps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, guys.